Welcome to MBBSCouncil. We provide NEET counseling guidance for doctors and parents. In this video, we will see High Court order regarding NMC fee regulation bill for a 50% of medical seats in private medical colleges. If you are looking to participate in NEET admission counseling and you are new to this channel, subscribe to this YouTube channel now and click the bell icon to get latest updates on NEET counseling. NMC fee regulation bill for 50% private medical colleges received lot of plea from various private institutions across India. Madras High Court has listened to arguments and has reserved the judgment. We can expect judgment within few days. Meanwhile, Kerala High Court has exempted Kerala state private medical colleges to provide 50% seats under government college fees. Kerala private college management filed petitions challenging NMC office memorandum issued on 3rd February 2022. Justice Devan Ramachandran pointed out that Admission and Fees Regulating Committee AFRC in Kerala avoids profiteering by the colleges already. If that office memorandum is implemented, then the fees for remaining 50% seats will increase because we have to take in consideration of the infrastructure investments. In case of Kerala, every student admitted in Kerala is paying the same fees as there is no government quota in Kerala private medical colleges. Moreover, all allotments for both government and private medical colleges are done directly by the Commissioner of Entrance Examination, Kerala. So, the High Court directed AFRC to follow all other guidelines except the NMC fees clause, which talks about the fees of 50% seats at government college fees. This brings us to the end of this video. If you have any doubts regarding counseling, comment below. Subscribe to this channel now so that you never miss any important counseling updates. See you in the next video.